Hi and welcome to this Blueprint Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video we're going to be taking a look at Euro Aussie as price has broken through a key level of resistance. So what is going on fundamentally at the moment? I just wanted to highlight that we do have some odds data coming out tomorrow, which is the employment change. So it's high impact data. It is meant to show a little bit of a drop from 33,000 down to 25,000, but we'll see about this overnight. So that could impact the analysis here on whether we look for continuations or not, or whether price closes back below the level and we start making a move to the downside. Now, other things going on fundamentally, while the ECB are looking to hike interest rates, some analysts expecting a 50 to 75 basis points hike. So that is fairly positive for the euro. So looking to see if we can see that. Now, we did a video yesterday on the Australian dollar and the reasons why it could continue to weaken. So looking at that and looking at where could it weaken or what currencies it could weaken against, I've come on to the euro, where we can see that price has broken through some structure. Not only that, I just want to bring on the strength meter, the currency strength meter, and want to highlight just one thing here. You can see that price or the euro is remaining above the zero and actually traded higher on the strength meter. And we can see that Aussie has fallen below the zero line and continued to push to the downside. So Aussie getting weaker, euro getting stronger from a weekly point of view as well. So let's go move that over there. Let's just move this as well. So taking a look at Euro Aussie, we can see that this is the monthly time frame. Price has recently traded above the 1.54 handle, which we can see is a very strong area of resistance. So if I just grab a pen tool, we can see that price found support here on a number of occasions before breaking back through, using it as resistance here, and now we're trading through that level. So that tells me that this 1.54 level is no longer giving sellers an opportunity to get involved. They're not interested in this level anymore, and buyers are trading through that point. So what could we say could happen with the monthly? Well, if price is going to trade above this, we could expect the next move to come up to the 1.62 handle, because that is the next level of resistance in the market. And you can see again, if we look left, how many times the 1.62 handle has been used as a resistance point for Euro Aussie. So if we do get a close above here on the monthly, we are in the second week, or are we in the third week of October now? We're in the third week of October now, so we are coming towards the end of the month, and if we were to get this close above, it could signal that we could see a continuation to the upside. So that's the higher time frame perspective. Let's go down into a lower time frame. So you can see here on the weekly chart, again, very strong close to the upside. So what does that signal to us? Well, we've had consecutive strong weeks. We had a little bit of a stall at the 1.54 handle, but price has since traded through that level. We're now back at another interesting spot. You can see I've highlighted the 1.56 handle through here, which is this previous structure low through there, because I thought that might be an area where price wants to kind of find a little bit of resistance, or maybe pause on this upward trend. So let's go down to the daily. What is the daily doing? Well, this is where I think things are going to get interesting for Euro Aussie, because what we've seen is a few consecutive closes above the 1.56 handle. You can see yesterday's close was a close above the previous day, and then we had the breakout candle which closed above as well. So usually what we'd be looking for is breaks above this high. We could trade above this previous structure high. I think that could lead on to further upside for Euro Aussie, or at least invite buyers to get back involved in the market and see price move higher. Alternatively, if I just draw a little bit of a zone down through here, you can see on this rally to the upside, this impulsive phase, we actually had a day where price just paused. Now, price is coming back into that zone now, and sometimes when you get these kind of pauses in the market, price can come back to them, retest them, and continue to push to the upside, because what that could signal is that institutions are adding into their positions at this point. So Going down again, if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, this is where I think it's going to get crucial now, because we can see that price is essentially consolidating. Okay, we're no longer making higher highs. We're trying to make lower lows, but it's not really coming together either. And most recently, price tried to push to the downside and failed, and price actually closed back within. So I think if you're an aggressive trader, or what I think aggressive traders will be doing, is they'll be looking at this low here as an option for opportunities to get long. Alternatively, because of the employment data, what we might actually get is a move into the zone, maybe even into the lows of the zone, before price then continues on its way higher. Now, for those breakout traders, they're going to be looking at this one spot 56.80 or one spot 56.90 handle as an area of interest, because if price was to trade through that, you'd assume that price is going to continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So keep an eye on Euro Oz. We're breaking through this one spot 54 handle. We're at a little bit of a sticking point at the moment. However, if the data does show a decline in Australia and the ECB is still going to hike rates quite significantly or aggressively, then we could see Euro Aussie prices heading towards the one spot 62. Hope you enjoyed this video update. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.